If you are in that bad situation where the cops have your phone and now they want your passcode to get into it, they want you to use your face, they want you to use your thumb or finger, they don't do that so much anymore, or type in the code, don't do it. If they have a court order, you've got to do it. Let them get a court order, folks, because once they get into that phone, they can go roaming in places that they probably shouldn't be, and fishing in spots that they shouldn't be fishing. You don't want to let them do that voluntarily. You want to make them get a court order. Here in Florida, you do not have to give the police the passcode to your phone unless they have a court order to get it. Now, once they get a court order to search your phone, and that's a whole different process. They're going to get a court order. They're going to ask for a search warrant. And if the judge signs the search warrant, they might be able to get into your phone without your passcode, because they could use a software called Cellebrite. They could use GrayKey. GrayKey is usually used by the FBI. Cellebrite is usually used by local law enforcement, because GrayKey is like super expensive and Cellebrite is a little cheaper. I've been doing this for 31 years. That they had a hell of a time getting into phones back in the day. Now they are cracking these phones more quickly than they used to, even though these phone companies claim everything's encrypted and blah, blah, blah. I'm telling you, it's not like you think. It's coming, this whole quantum computing. I don't know if you saw that recently. There are passcodes, right, that will take our best supercomputer 1,000,000 years to crack certain passcodes. And these quantum computers are so good at it, they can take 1,000,000-year passcode and knock it down to 5 minutes, 3 minutes. That's how good these quantum computers are. That is not happening anytime soon for law enforcement, et cetera, et cetera. I mean, cryptocurrency has these passcodes, I guess, to your Bitcoins that I don't know what you're going to do when you've got these quantum computers that can just crack open everything so quickly. We're in a whole new generation. We're in a whole new era, folks. The old Chinese proverb, may you live in interesting times, that could be taken as a bad thing or a good thing. I think these are interesting times, but don't give the police the passcode to your phone. Don't do it. Get an attorney involved. The only way you should do it is if they show you a court order, and then with a court order, you've got to do it. But that's my advice for today.